know I never can repay. A quiet band of music denied a simpler fate. Tried to be a soldier once, but his music couldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline and thundering velvet hair. His gentle mix of sculpting souls took me years to understand. A leader of the band is tired, and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. Life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. My brothers' lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chosen, come to know so well. Thank you for the music and your stories on the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came